build tonight, and that is going to lead to a threat of severe weather tomorrow. Now, it splits the area. The slight risk is south of 94. That's slightly higher than the marginal risk in the northern sections. And watch what happens in the morning. Our first round of showers and thunderstorms comes through in the morning hours on Thursday. That is going to be the weaker round. So as we get into the sunrise hours and the first part of Thursday morning, most of that stuff is going to be rain across the northern part of the area. Notice that area south of 94 is going to stay dry. So that's going to allow that area to destabilize and further fuel the chance of thunderstorms as we get into the afternoon and evening. So anything that pops up in the second half of the day could be strong or severe in that yellow shaded area where the slight risk is. Threat is going to go at least into the nighttime hours, but the later we get in the nighttime, that transitions from a severe weather threat to more of a heavy rain threat, and then that rain finally starts tapering off as we get to the first part of Friday. So there's the risk, and it's mainly going to be from damaging winds where those thunderstorms are the strongest tomorrow. Let's look at the rainfall totals in your 4-zone forecast as we go to the metro zone. Over an inch in most of the zone there. South zone, because of the lack of that rain in the morning, you may see some areas that are actually less than an inch, but you start getting close to Michigan Avenue and north, and that's where the 1-inch totals start to come into play. Don't get too focused on the bullseyes here, but I do think there will be some spots that may pick up 2 inches of rain plus, depending on where that warm front is. Otherwise, most of the west zone is going to be an inch to an inch and a half, and I think we'll see over an inch because of those morning rain showers in the north zone as well. Let's get to tonight's forecast. 46 with increasing clouds. High temperatures tomorrow, 72 despite the rain and thunderstorms, and we are going to stay in the 70s all the way through the next 7 days, except when we hit 80 on Wednesday, and it will be with a lot of sunshine. But guys, even though Friday and Saturday are going to be primarily dry, that rain comes back